Welcome to McMade Simple. In today's video, we'll be doing a example in which on friction on a slanted surface, example 1. So we have a block here and a block here, and they are connected through a roller by a rope here, here, and we need to find in which direction will the block accelerate. So we are given angle theta is equals to 30 degrees and nu s is equal to 0.25, nu k is equal to 0.20, 0.20 nu k. So we will assume first that the block is moving in this direction, that the system is moving in this direction. We will first take this assumption and solve the problem. So we have F net is equals to mass total into acceleration. Acceleration equals to F net by mass total and this F net is equals to F aiding minus F opposing, F aiding minus F opposing divided by the mass total. Mass total will be equal to m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 now this acceleration will be equal to m2g I'll write it there. Acceleration will be equal to m2g m1g by m1 plus m2. Now what all are these quantities is shown here. This is mg, m1g, this is m1g cos theta, m1g cos theta, this is m1g m1g sin theta, and there is a frictional force FFR equals to N nu S. This is the frictional force that is acting on the block, this block. And here this is in free fall, so the force that will be acting here will be M2G. So that is all what you have written. Acceleration is equals to F aiding. F aiding is equals to M1G sine theta. Sorry, M2G minus M1G sine theta minus N nu S. Minus N nu S. And this is theta here. So I'll put the values here. This is 2 into 9.81, 2 into 9.8 minus 5 into 9.8 sine 60 sine 30 minus M1G cos theta nu S. Minus M1 is 5, G is 9.8 cos 30 and nu S value is 0.25. So this divided by 5 plus 2. So if we calculate it here, if we calculate these three values, it will come as 19.6 minus 24.5 minus 10.6 divided by 7. So this is the value. So this is the value that we are getting. So we see that this is a negative value. The numerator is a negative. So the assumption that we had done that the block will move in this direction is not okay, is not right. So this is wrong. So we will assume that the block will move in this direction. So all this will be same here. This will change. So I'll write it here again. Acceleration will be equal to F aiding minus F opposing. Now F aiding will become mg. Now frictional force direction will change. Frictional force direction will be in this direction because it is moving in this direction, so frictional force will be in this direction. This is the frictional force. So we have got acceleration is equals to F aiding minus opposing. F aiding is equals to m1g sine theta, m1g sine theta minus m1g cos theta nu s, m1g cos theta nu s. This is the friction force minus m2g, minus m2g. So acceleration will be this divided by m1 plus m2. So this will be equal to, this implies acceleration is equals to 5 into 9.81, 5 into 9.8 minus m1 is 5 into 9.8 cos 30 degrees into nu s is 0.25 minus m2g, m2 is 2, g is 9.8. So this whole quantity divided by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2. So this will be equal to 24.5 minus 24.5 minus 10.6 minus 19.6 divided by 7. So we see that 10 plus 19 will be 29, and 29 minus negative 29 and positive or 24. So this quantity will be also negative. This is negative also. This is also negative. So what we see that the block will not move in this direction also. So the block will remain stationary. Block will remain stationary. So that was how it's done. So what we had done in this numerical two device is that we made the free body diagram. We wrote the equation F net is equal to MTA, and we uh, identified the aiding force and the opposing force in each of the case. The two cases we had, one in this direction, case 1, and case 2 in this direction. So two directions we had the case, and in that case we calculated the acceleration. In both case the acceleration came negative, that is that the block is moving in neither the direction, so that this system is actually in equilibrium, that is it is this system is static, it is the blocks are going nowhere. So that was all for today. If you have liked the video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.